Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we're going to be opening and showcasing a new keyboard for the PC. What we have to review today is the Redragon K762 Pro mechanical keyboard. This thing has 3 modes and has 104 keys. On the back has all the specs. And this is going to be a keyboard that has the wired 2.4G and a Bluetooth connection. It comes in the color purple and white, very similar to one of the first keyboards I reviewed by these guys. But the difference here is it has a little LCD screen in the top right. But let's jump right to it. Let's unbox this thing, show you what comes inside, press the keys, test them out, and show you what it looks like all lit up. So let's get it unboxed here. This one doesn't have the classy opening of, opening the front shell there. We just had to open one of the sides and pull her on out. Here is the revealing of the keyboard. Pop tabs on the top, so you can make this sit up higher. We have the USB dongle in the back. It works off of USB-C if you want to go wired. A couple of the switches there. That's going to be for Windows or Mac, and you set your setting for the USB dongle, wired, or Bluetooth. Now I'm going to pull the sticker off of the LCD screen here because we don't necessarily need that. First I'll pull off that knob there. That just pops right off. We're going to put that purple knob right back on there. Snaps right back in place. It is a click button and it turns, so a few different options with that LCD screen that I will go over shortly. Let's see what else you get inside the package here. With Redragon, you always get your little set of stickers. We have our USB cable here, USB-C. We have a set of the replacement modules for your keys. And as usual, the tool to swap out those keys. So I do notice for the little stands on the back here, they do have different ones. They have the shorter ones, or if you want it propped all the way up, just pull those out. I'm going to set this to wired for the time being. Eventually, if I want to take this to another room and connect it to a computer or anything like that, I have the benefit of using my wireless dongle there. Let's get this all connected and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all lit up. Alright, I have the keyboard plugged in, detected immediately, and as you can see here, the LED shines very bright all the way through. It goes all the way through the keys. I love that. Just the fact that when you illuminate a certain key, you're able to see it all the way through the letter itself. The previous keyboards I have reviewed, some of them have that, but others don't. The others just illuminate around the key itself. So this keyboard here is actually going to be taken over as my primary because I love the color scheme and the fact that the key lights up through the character itself is going to be very beneficial to what I like to do. As far as key presses go, it has a nice touch to it. A little bit more forceful than what I'm used to. Gotta press them a little bit harder. Maybe it's just, in my head. As far as comparing it to another keyboard, I felt like there was a little bit of a softer touch, but this is gonna be just fine. It's pretty quiet as far as I can tell. Nothing too crazy there. And you can customize these keyboards with the Redragon software or by using the key presses on the keyboard itself. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. I have the instruction manual nearby that I did not show in the unboxing part, but it does come with a small manual. So I'm gonna do some different backlight patterns. I'm gonna hold down the function and insert key. And that bar that's flashing on the bottom there, that's gonna be your battery charge indicator. Nice little Christmas effect there. I'm gonna swap hands and show you the different styles. And that's your classic WASD mode. And of course you can have it off. On the top right here, I was telling you about the LCD screen, or the LED screen. This time isn't correct. I will need to fix that, but that shouldn't be any problems. So twisting that knob, you got volume control, so I can adjust my volume on my PC with ease. Let's look at these other options here. So I can configure it from this, go to effects. Let's see all these different modes here. Fix the. So with this screen here and turning this twist knob, there's a few different options you can use. We got the home, we have the effects. Keep twisting, you get into colors and brightness, speed, language, time format, and time set, and the return option. Let's go ahead and go to time set first. I'm just going to click that in, and we do have the correct date. I'm going to click all the way through there, but I do want to adjust this because it's pretty early in the morning right now. Did not switch it to AM, but I'll fix that later. Let's look at some other options here. I want to see what the effect was. So I can change the color effects just by swapping through that. So if I don't know the key combination on the top of my head, I can just click this button in and select what I want it to do. But yeah, as far as this keyboard goes, I'm really enjoying it. Like I said, I'm going to replace this, make it my primary keyboard. I love that it has the 10 key on the side and all the other keys are illuminated just fine. I'm gonna use the Redragon software to set up a color scheme on certain keys that I most commonly use for games, and I'll show you what that looks like here. So with the Redragon software on the PC, you can customize so many different things. You can choose the strobing effects on screen. So if you want more of a visual description of what they can do, you have the options there. You can also self-define your keys. So as I was saying before, you can set a certain key to be a certain color and it'll shine all the way through. Just like this option I have set up here, we have the WASD in red, we got the number keys in blue. I'll put space and enter as a purple, and I'll put control and alt as yellow. I hit OK, save it, and as you can see, the keys are lit up in their specific way. So lots of customization you can do on here. They do have effects, so if you are listening to music, the music will be able to correlate and do their visual effect on the keyboard itself. There's also macro options, so if there is a key combination that you use on a regular basis, you can put it in here. You can of course save your profiles. So if you do have different games you like to play and different key combinations and what have you, you'll be able to set up your profile here and easily select them for whichever option you need to use. So hopefully you guys liked the video. If you do want to pick up one of these keyboards for yourselves, take a look at the link in the description below. If you guys like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.